universe. And it matches the ingredients of life. That tells us something about our connection to the universe. And if that doesn't mean something to you, you have an unjustifiably high ego coming into this room. And that's precisely what happened. You can't read this, but 12 years ago, we opened our brand new planetarium. This is where we had reassociated Pluto when I got in trouble. But we had a new planetarium show. It was a zoom out from Earth. You zoomed out, looked back, and Earth got little. And then the orbit of Earth got little. And then the sun got dim. And then Pluto's orbit disappeared. And then the sun got lost among other stars. And then the whole galaxy collapsed down. And as you're zooming out, the galaxy, you couldn't find our galaxy because there were countless other galaxies around it. And you got lost in space. I got a letter from a professor of psychology, University of Pennsylvania. And here's what he said. This is like a week after we opened the show. I'm an assistant professor of social cultural psychology. I'm writing to discuss the possibility of a research project in collaboration with the planetarium. My research focuses on the psychological experiences associated with feelings of insignificance. And I'm thinking, damn, what kind of job is that? Oh dear, how was your day? Depressing. How do you make a career out? I don't even understand. Somebody's got to do it, I know, but he's coming to me because he said, I recently saw the space show, and needless to say, it was the most dramatic elicitor of feelings of smallness and insignificance that I have yet encountered. I want to conduct a survey at the planetarium. He wants to survey people before they go in and after they come out. Because that's his expectation. Why is that his expectation? Because he asserts that knowing that you are a part of a larger universe is a depressing thought. That you feel insignificant in that exposure. Is it possible to dim the lights for my very last slide? Actually, we'll take them out, actually. Ooh, that was quick. That was good. That was good. And how about the other lights? Is that legal to do that? Not that I don't love looking at all of you, but I just want to create the mood. Are these one of those lights that take 20 minutes to turn back on because they're like mercury vapor or something? You have to vaporize and send the current through the vapor, but once they cool, it's liquid and you can't. That was the Super Bowl dome problem, right? They couldn't just flick on the lights again. They had to sort of warm up again. So is this the darkest we can get it? Okay, I'll take it if we can't do better than that. So I just want to show you that this person thinks that going out into the universe depresses you. And I don't have that view. This image, my last image, is called the Hubble Deep Field. In fact, it's the Hubble Ultra Deep Field. Hubble took an image of a blank area of sky out to the edge of the universe and up showed all these objects. And that got so good to us, we found another blank area and we went even deeper into the universe, and that is this picture. That is this image. And there's a spiky object in the bottom there. That's a star sitting on our nose. We're looking through a screen door, sort of, out to the vastness of space. There's another spiky object, so 2/3 of the way over and midway up. That's another star sitting on our nose as we're looking out of our own galaxy. Everything else in this image, everything, every smudge, every shape, every marking is an entire galaxy, commensurate in scale and in activity to our own galaxy, the Milky Way. We've got hundreds of billions of stars in our galaxy. Every smudge there is an entire galaxy from nearby out to the edge of the universe. And in those galaxies, stars are being born. They live out their lives and they die. And some of those stars had manufactured elements. Those elements on the periodic table were forged in the crucibles of stars, in their centers, where the temperature is high. Atoms collide, they make heavier atoms. Thermonuclear fusion. Those stars explode, take those enriched ingredients and scatter them into their own galaxy. And new gas clouds collapse and make new stars, and those stars now have extra ingredients. They have carbon and nitrogen and iron and silicon. They can make planets, and they have the ingredients for life. So when I look at images like this, yes, we are small in time, space, size, location. Yes, we are small. But why does that require that you feel small? Yes, we're small, but I look out there and I see these ingredients that we match by being alive. And I say to myself, we are a part of this universe. This universe that extends 14 billion light years out to the cosmic horizon. Too many people think we're here in a universe. That's a universe out there. We've got nothing to do with that. We're just sort of residents within it. But the fact that we match ingredients one for one with this universe, and that those ingredients are manufactured in stars that gave their lives. We are not just in this universe, we are stardust. We have kinship with stars. And it is that fact that leads me to tell you here and now that yes, not only are we in this universe, the universe is in us. That is the highest thought I know. There is no small ego to come out of it. That is the biggest ego I can imagine because it encompasses the universe, knowing that I'm small and confirming that I'm something, part of something bigger than myself. Thank you all.